Excuse me.
What?
Can you get from in front of the door?
No.
I'm trying to come inside.
No, you cannot come inside. Your hands are dirty, mister.
Well, I'm just out here waiting on the pet meds box. I could come in.
Up. Get
What?
your face out the doorway.
Why?
Don't. Here. Bring your face right here. You can talk right here.
Right here?
Right here.
Right here.
Perfect.
Can I come inside?
Let me check. Can you come inside? No? Okay. They said no because your paws are dirty.
Dirty?
Yeah, you gotta lick them.
Dogs don't lick paws.
Then dogs don't come in.
What are you doing that for?
I gotta shut the door.
So you're going to lock me out. What's so funny? Why you laughing?
Because you said meow like a cat.
Oh, can you just let me inside? You can teach me how to clean my paws.
Okay, you can come inside. Come on.